How to replace the air filter in your Lincoln MKC. I am Stephen Wimberley, and this is Working with Wimberley. The first thing we're going to do is open the door and pull the hood release. Just slide it towards the driver's side. The latch right there, and the hood comes up. So here's the air box right on the driver's side, and it's held in with 4 bolts. There's one here in the front, second one here, third one back there, and the fourth one right here in the front. And these are 5/16 bolts. So use your 5/16 socket with a ratchet or a screwdriver attachment and loosen the 4 bolts. They don't come all the way out. You just need to get them loose enough to where we can lift up the cover and remove it. So with the 4 screws loose, we can lift up and remove the cover from the air box. So now we'll just need to pull up and remove the air filter. Just pull it off. And now I'm going to clean out the air box and vacuum everything out before I replace the filter. Okay, so with the new filter, if you look at the outside, you notice there's a tab right here, and we want this to go right at the bottom in the center. And also the lip of the outside of the filter needs to fit into this groove right here. So we need to make sure we get it all lined up properly and in the groove, and then we can put our cover back on. I just want to show you guys that it is lined up in the groove. So now we can go and put our cover back on. Once the cover is lined up and seated properly, just tighten down the 4 screws. And this job is done. If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe to the channel, give me a thumbs up, and leave a comment. God bless you all.